Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact Google account tied to your YouTube Premium. This is the key. Once done, sign out of any other Google accounts on the new device to avoid confusion, then sign in with your Premium account. Make sure app updates are applied and Wi-Fi is strong so the subscription info can sync quickly. This avoids waiting on mobile data and reduces login hiccups. Now proceed to the next setup, steps to ensure offline content and family settings transfer correctly. Next, open the YouTube app and tap your profile to access account settings. Navigate to purchases and memberships to confirm YouTube Premium shows active. If it's missing, force sync by signing out and signing in again. This refreshes entitlement data. For family plans, check Google Family settings to ensure the new device's account is part of the family group. Make sure Play Store is using the same account so app purchases and playback benefits like ad-free and downloads appear. Finally, verify premium features. Play a video to confirm no ads, enable background play, and download one video to check offline. If a feature is missing, clear the YouTube app cache and data, then reopen and sign in again. Reinstall updates if necessary. Make sure Play Store shows the subscription linked to your account. If problems persist, open Google Support from the app and choose Restore Purchases or Contact Support. This usually forces a back-end revalidation and returns your premium benefits to the new phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.